Ever wondered how to create an Apple ID for free? Well, the first thing you need to know is why having one is so important. An Apple ID is like a key. It unlocks a world of services and features that Apple offers. Think of it as your personal pass to everything Apple. With an Apple ID, you get access to the App Store, where you can download millions of apps. It also grants you entry to Apple Music, where you can stream over 70 million songs. It opens the door to iCloud, allowing you to store your photos, videos, and documents in the cloud and access them from anywhere. And did we mention it's absolutely free to create? But that's just scratching the surface. Your Apple ID is also your ticket to personalized recommendations, seamless device syncing, and much more. Stay tuned as we guide you through creating your own Apple ID, step by step. Before we dive in, it's important to know what you'll need to create your Apple ID. First and foremost, you will require a valid email address. This will act as your username and primary means of contact for Apple services. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. There are plenty of free email providers out there, and we'll walk you through setting up an email account in the next scene. Next, you'll need to provide some personal information. This includes your full name and your birth date. Apple uses this information to protect your account and to personalize your experience. Remember, it's crucial to provide accurate information here. It can help you recover your account if you ever forget your password or if your account gets compromised. Now that we have everything we need, it's time to start creating your Apple ID. Ready to create your Apple ID? Follow these simple steps.
Open App Store app. Select any free app to install. In this example, we'll select CapCut Video Editor. Press Get button. Select Create New Apple ID. Now fill up the pop-up with your valid email address and a strong password. Verify and confirm your password. Select your region. For example, here I will select USA. Read and agree to terms and conditions by slide the button to the right side. Press Next. A pop-up for personal information will open. Then you need to type your valid first and last name, birth date, and security questions to be answered. Make sure to save and secure all the security questions somewhere, so that you will use them when you've forgotten your password or your username in future. After complete all the questions and answers, just press Next. Payment method and billing pop-up will open. And here is the most important part, where you need to select None on payment method. Then fill up the billing address and a valid mobile number, so that to receive the OTP code in future. After complete all, then press Next. A pop-up will open for email verification. Here you have to open your email and check for the email verification code from Apple. Copy the given code and paste on the box of the email verification page. Press Verify button on the top right of the page. And that's it. Congrats, you have created an Apple ID, and now you log in on all your Apple devices. Thanks for watching.